배쇼 김난 가드래
Nestled in the scenic foothills of Bir Galing, in the heart of Mandi district, Himachal Pradesh, stand TCV School Chauntra, a place where stories of culture, identity and learning quietly unfold. Here, every day begins with purpose, but every Wednesday begins with something more. A tradition, a memory, a connection to roots. This is the Tsampa project, an initiative supported by ICT Germany, bringing to life a timeless Tibetan staple food, Tsampa, made from roasted barley. Tsampa has nourished generations across the Himalayas. Simple in form, yet rich in strength. It carries the warmth of home and the weight of heritage. And in present days, Tsampa is also counted as one of the superfood at a power-packed breakfast. Each Wednesday, as students gather to share this meal, something deeper is served alongside it, a sense of belonging. In a rapidly changing world, the project becomes more than nourishment. It becomes preservation, a gentle reminder of who we are and where we come from. In every handful of Tsampa, there is a story. In every shared moment, there is unity. And perhaps the truest stories are best told by the students themselves.
When I eat Tsampa on Wednesdays at school, I feel really happy and connected. It's not just breakfast for me, it reminds me of our culture and traditions. It gives me a lot of energy and I feel more active during class. It also feels really healthy and filling. And compared to other breakfasts, Tsampa feels more natural and better for my body. For me, it's not just about eating, it's about staying healthy. And I'm really thankful to ICT Germany for supporting this project and making it possible for us.
When I eat Tsampa on Wednesdays, I feel really connected to our culture. During Wednesdays, our home mothers give us Tsampa every week. I really enjoy the Tsampa and eating it with my friends. They all make funny animals out of the pa, and I also laugh while they do it. One of my friends made a giraffe and said that it looked like my other friend. I laughed out so loud that my Tsampa came out of my mouth and went into my tea. My friend said that I laughed like a monkey. He then said that I laughed like a monkey. I was very furious, but I did nothing. Now I really enjoyed Tsampa Wednesday because of Tsampa. I like it. I like Tsampa because of my own memories behind it and its culture behind it.
The Tsampa project reminds us that even the simplest traditions can nourish not just the body, but the spirit. One meal, one culture, one community.